Okay, according to a couple Chinese diesel heater UK posts, you're supposed to push the OK and the down button at the same time to initiate the priming. It says H off and then arrow 1 to go on. Ooh, I hear it clicking. So my pump is pumping in there. So I can't really see or tell without a light whether the pump is going to make it up to the front. But I guess I could look here. And see if it's going to make it up here anytime soon. So the pump is definitely going pump, 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 pump. Still don't see any fuel. Still no fuel. Still no fuel. Supposedly this goes for 90 seconds or a minute and a half. And then we'll stop. Be interesting to see if there's any fuel in the filter in the back. But I'll wait for a second. I think there's fuel. Although the fuel is a very clear kerosene, potentially could be in there and I just can't see it. Interesting. I don't think it's in there, but there's no way for me to really tell. Fuel filter and see what we see here. See a little bit of fuel on the bottom. Interesting to know whether that's picking up it or not. And as of here, I see a little tiny, see that little tiny drip in the bottom. So that's definitely not adequate. But it means something's moving. So I think I'll try it a couple more times, see if I can get the line primed up.